When I say this channel is also about edits, I was very serious.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel again, and today is about edits. Oh, I have been here, I've been active. I'm saying that sarcastically, ironically.
I am your tower, no fear. 10 minutes and I'm a year. Where the money to me, I got them. Ask up
My Instagram page, which is displaying right now.
I posted a photo on which I edited the brand background. I like to post a tutorial because
Person that likes DIY, do it yourself, no little tricks and economizing. So
secrets.
I've never been to studio. What I like I said that I'm going to studio. Let me phone Yanga. It's belong I drank Capiso. Yes, belong. It's for kids, but some kids, baby girls. So take care of yourself and enjoy your life. Take Capiso in your country. Because the app I use is Snapseed. It is free, like I said, free. It has the same features on Apple devices and Android devices. So, taking the picture first of all, use the play background and also get good lighting. So I don't have a LED light, I mean ring light. I use sunlight, that's from the afternoon, but I shouldn't have let myself be the sun or allow the sun rays actually enter the picture. Time ready, snappy. I'm going to use this picture. First, what I'm going to do, we're going to cover the background. So the main tools I'm using is healing. Yeah, healing. You need to remove unwanted objects you don't like.
As you can see, the ceiling and the wallpaper are being removed.
Like, start removing all these creases because the thing is a really old sheet. So yeah, some things in it, old sheets. Yeah, things so remove it so I can be more smoother. You can see moving everything like here. I want it to be smooth like the wall. Smooth like my face. So like I said, this sun area here, I really don't like it. So I think I'll stay in the sun. So let me try if I can be able to cover it up. While I cover. So by doing this, as you can see, the picture, the background is already like smooth as it is in the studio. So like I showed you, the next magic thing I'm going to use right now is the details. And the details is this one. The main thing, take the structure back like this. Take the structure and look, the background is voila. So you can see, take as much as you want it back. So it's fine now. Once the background is smooth, maybe you can take the structure front. Take the structure front because those sides are already brushed off. So, and let me give it a little more sharpening, like this. So you can see the background is. Then let me tune the image. Let me give you some small edits. So I take the brightness. I want it to be a little bit dark. The contrast. Let's take it back a little. Minus 26. Saturation. I want it to have a little more color. +9. Ambience. This is very tricky too, so you have to learn this. Ambience. Take it above as well, but you can see that it's bringing the beauty of this picture out. So the highlights, I take it back to. Let's take it back to reduce the sunlight. As you can see, the shadows. Take it from, because this one is my special studio pick, the film. Then the warmth, I take it from a little bit. So you can see from this to this. You know, go believe say I go studio. You must believe, or you believe that I went to studio. Okay, white balance. Because of this tutorial, I just tried this white balance before. The one on my Instagram page, I didn't use white balance. You can see that this one's even more better than the one on my Instagram page. I like that. Temperature. No, I want it a little backward because it's showing red. The tint. Just plus 3. Do it according to your choice. You can just do auto if you like. So voila, the pic is ready. So after this one now, you can just export it to your app to modify it according to your preference. But like this is okay. Too lazy to edit, right? Like this is okay already. So the picture is ready to be. Also, if you want it to be like another type of studio pic, the press looks like you can see. Then portraits. Yes. You can see there's bignet. That's bignet around. So if you want it like that, you are the one that is shining. You can see it like that too. But I like this one like this. But this one's actually nice. So the picture is ready. You can also change the way your head poses. But I don't really work with this kind of pose. I don't like this. I like being the way I am. As I am right now. So sometimes let's use face spotlight. You want the one for eyes? No, I want to edit this myself. So it's face spotlight. Like this. The skin smoothing and the eye clarity. I want my eyes to shine. So voila. This is the final product. You can see final. Although people not really like, you know, went to studio. You went to studio. This one is for brown background. Then I'm going to try is white background. Post the tutorial. I might even post how I took the pictures, everything. So thank you guys for watching. Also follow me on Instagram. As you can see, I need followers. My Instagram page is not speaking. Please, as you watch the video and you enjoy it, please subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel, please. Please motivate me. So bye bye guys. Where the money they me I go there. Ask about anywhere. I feel blessed.